If number is 1000 minus D 500 multiply 10 divided by L 50 500 multiply by 10 is 5000 upon 50 cancel 5 times 1 is 5 100 that is C is our answer. If fraction this is 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 by 9 4 by 9. Question 93 2 kilometer and 560 meter, that is 2560 meter, and 6.4 divide cancel 0.108 direct multiply by 4 64 4 times 4 is 16 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25 and 0 and the answer is 400. Question 94 optional correct. Opposite side of parallelogram are congruent, correct. Opposite angle of parallelogram are congruent, correct. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, correct. Our answer is all of the above. Question 96 opposite side is not correct. A is H, correct. B is B here. B is G, correct. C is D. This is our answer. And C for D. Question 96. The cuboid wooden box 16 kilometers. 5 L area of 5 side of cuboid is 5 L square. L is 60 centimeter. That is 0.6 meter. And weight is 30. Rate per square meter. Now 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 6 is 54. Point on 2 position. 54 is our answer. This is 50 and 30, that angle. And 5 meter, this is 5, this is 5, that is 40. 5 is 60. 40 plus 60 is, area is 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 0, 900 our answer. 900 square kilometer. The complementary angle is 35. So 90 minus 35 is equal to 55 is our angle. And is supplementary angle. That is 180 minus 55. 5 6 125 degree. 4 is our answer. Sum of number 1 through 50. 50. Next number is 51 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. and 2 times 5 is 10. 25 times 1 is 25. Carry 2. 25 times 5 is 125 plus 2, 127. Our answer is 1275. 80,000 education loan. Rate 7% fees percentage. Divide 0, 8 times 7 is 56 and minus 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 times 3 is 18. IU times 3 is 15 plus 8. That is 3 is our answer. 5.1 kilometer distance. That is 5,100 meter. 15 round divided by 15. Divide 15. 15 times 3 is 45. Here is 6. 4 times 15 is 60. 340 is perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Length of 1 is 100. So we can find breadth. 200 is minus 2B. This is 140. 2B. Divide 2 times 7 is 14 and 0. Our answer is 70 meter. Suppose number of 15 rupee note is X. The amount is 15X. And 3 by 4 part of 20. That is 20X. The total amount is 1,300. 4 divide 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 50 is 65. X is equal to 1,300. Divide 65. 65 2 times is 130 and 20. And 3 by 4. 20 is 20 rupees note. Divide 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 is greater. 15 rupee note is more than 5. Our answer is first. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 6 is 9 is our answer. We can also this. 25 notebook cost is 120. 0, 25 times is 2 is 50, 25 and 5. 30. 5 pen, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 16. And a compass box rate is 140. 0, 10, 3, 3. Our answer is 300, 3,300. 3 plus 5, 8, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. And 2 times 4 is 8. That is 24, which is divided by 3. So 4 is our answer. 162 5 0.5 kilometer. Distance 2.5 hours. Then 455. We can find x. Cancel point, divide 25. 25 times 6 is 150. Carry 12 and 5 times 25 is 125. Now divided by this, direct by 65. 6 times 7 is 42 and 5 times 7 times 5 is 35, and here and 42 plus 3 is 45. So 7 is our answer. 7 liter. 220 leap year, that is February is 29. Republic Day 26th January. The remaining day is 5, 31. Then Maha Day 1 May. February, March, April. Divided by 7 is 1 is quote. March is 3. April is 2. And May is 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remainder is 5. That day is third day. 5 days. That is 5 minus 7. That is minus 2 day. That is third day. We need date Tuesday. Tuesday is our answer. Or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Question 108. 15 biscuit pocket, 150 gram. 28 pocket is 100 gram. And 8 biscuit pocket is 15 gram. And weight of only box is X, suppose. And this is mistake. This is kilogram total. So we can cancel this. Calculate 0, 25 square is 225. 20, 28 plus 8 times 50 is 40. 400 plus 6, 8, 50, 8 plus 2 plus 18 plus 4, 14, 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. This is 6,250 minus is equal to X. 0, 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 2, carry 1, 12 minus 4 is 8. So our answer is 800 gram. Suppose Raju age is X and his sister age is 4 years minus. After 5 years, X plus X, 2X, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Here is 30. 6 minus, that is 24. Divide 2 to 12. Before 2 years, Raju's age is 10 years is our answer. Out of 400, 340 is present. That is 60 is absent. Out of 400, 10%, that is multiply by 100. Cancel 4, 15 is our answer. Question 111. Sold price 560. Suppose X is loss. Then if we sold 640, then 3 times 3 times minus, here is 1 plus, that is 4 times. 560 minus 640 minus is 80. Divide 4. 20 rupees loss. So selling price is, cost price is 560 plus 20. That is 580. Place value of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place value of 4 is 400. 4, 150. 150. Suppose length is x and breadth is half of length, that is 1 by 2x, and its area is 222 multiplied by 2 is 675 x square, that is square of 24, and breadth is half, that is 24. Half is 12. If 3 by 4, breadth is decrease, and 3 by 2 of length increase, then what is area of angle? 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36, times 3 is 108, times 3 is 324 is our answer. 324 square meter. Sum of 8 blocks. 5 plus 2 is 7, 16, 17, 27, 32, 40 is 0. 4 plus 14, 18, 17, 19, 29, 38, 41 divided by 10 blocks. Cancel 0. Our answer is 41 kg. Subtract this by this. Carry 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. 100 minus 3 is 7, which is square of 27. So our answer is 27. Student contribute 27 rupees. In this question there is 8 point and previous number is 7 by 2. Divide 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. This is our answer. We can also do 7 from A.6 dash from G to A1. Height of lamp post is 9 meters. 50 meter later. Then by Pythagoras, we know 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 5 times 3 is 15. That is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12 is our answer. Five day. 5 women. 5 times 5 is 25. Women is suppose W. And 5 men is M. 5 day is 25. Rupees 20,000 rupees. We added 25. 8 times 25 is 200. Now 7 women. 2 day. That is 14 women. And 3 men. 2 day. That is 6 men. Get 700 and 7,200. Now multiply this by 6. 6m plus 6w is equal to 6 times 8 is 48. M is cancel. This added women 0 0. 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is 8 times 3 is 24. Now 1 man and 2 women. 1 man, 1 woman plus 1 woman. That is 2 men. 800 plus 300 is equal to 1100. 8 is our answer. In which division number of the girls are half of the number of the boys? In A, 40 minus 20 is 20 girls. In B, 25 minus 15 is 10 girls. In C, 45 minus 30 is 15 girls. And in D, 35 minus 10 is 25 girls. This is 20, this is 15, this is 30, and this is 10. C is our answer. 15, 13. 15 is half of 13, that is 1 by 2. By how much the number of girls in division D? There is 25. Are less or exceed by the number of girls in B division. B division number of girls is 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. 15 is our answer. More than 15. More by 15.